Hey there guys, so today we will not be trading today because we don't have money, and meme trading is quite low today. Everything, there's no any good coins except for this coins, whatever, 14. Oh my god, platinum. Okay, to our topic here. Why are they low today? You know why? Because Bitcoin went to 118k, which no 100k, so which like pulls back meme trading, and now they're into Bitcoin. I like those big coins. I could, bro, give me $10,000 right now, I could lose it in like maximum maybe 2 minutes. Or no, maximum realistically I can lose $10,000, and then give me an hour and I can lose 10 million. Oh sorry, 10,000. I'm gonna lose $10,000 in 10 minutes. No, 1 hour. Realistic number, I can lose $10,000 in 1 hour. So I don't even know about million or even 800k, and this guy's yapping. Bro, this guy's just gambling, bro. Like pure on gambling. Why is it all gambling? See, like, okay, you know what? I have a talent for spending money. Big talent. I have a big talent, like an insane talent here. It's a gift. I can spend money like easy. Give me $10,000. Just send me to a mall. Done. Money will be gone in like maybe 2 hours or 1 hour. So that's my gift. Insane gift. The guy TJR, bro. TJR, please come to my video, bro. Please sponsor me, bro. I'm trying to get into like stock trading. Like I've been doing paper trading. So far, I am not making money, but I made 18k off paper trade. But now I'm down 11k, as you can see, 11,000. I think, it's still, I'm still a profit if we're gonna talk about like paper trade. But yeah, wait, no, why did I just open a trade? Okay, so we have 17,000 and we started with like 20k. So yeah, so like if TGR, if you like try to like bring me to your contact, bro, you know, can make videos together, bro. I really hope we can like make a lot of money off like those trades. Maybe YouTube can pay me, or it's like it's time to like subscribe, guys, so we can do all of these videos, and I'm gonna give away a lot of money also if you guys support me, and if we would make money off trading. And yeah, I could do this kind of videos. One time I was lifting weights, bro. I had diarrhea that day. Okay, I was lifting the weights. When I lift, something like I'm like, yo, thank God I was wearing black shorts and black undies. So I was like, yo, something came out, and it wasn't that big, you know. It's not big, it's like small, but like, boy, like I had to go home. Yeah, like obviously you have to go home, but like, bro, what's I'm saying? And after that, bro, every time I go to the gym, I see that weights, I try to avoid it, bro. Yo, what? Boys betting like almost $1 million, bro. Oh damn, bro, guys. If you guys subscribe and make me rich, bro, I might do this kind of videos. Not gonna lie. Like, I'm dead ass down to do that type of videos. Okay? Like, you don't understand. I will actually do this video. Like, bet like the whole table, bro. Those are good numbers. Crypto's down, so there's something to do at all. No content for it. So it looks like we are going to, I don't know, Otaku coin. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade, bro. Are you gonna lose my money? Heck no, bro. I'm not gonna trade today. What the? I've already lost so much. But yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Like that they're trying to make content about, but maybe we make money. But the thing is, I'm not recording. So sometimes like I trade without recording. If someone actually like gives me like an insider call, maybe I could go. Maybe. So if any of you guys, I'll put in a link where you guys can text me and give me insider calls, you know, so I can make money also. Like, no, maybe not being greedy, but yeah. So if you guys can like maybe do me insider calls, I could buy the coin and get rich, make more content of me losing the money that I made. So yeah, so I guess that is it for today, guys. That's so nothing much to talk about really, except for me losing money. Just like I lost so much money, so you know, yeah, I don't want to talk about it, but okay. Like the fact I couldn't sleep at night because I lost a lot of money. It's really hard, guys. Really hard. But yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. See you guys. And goodbye. Please subscribe so I can make more money.